Hi, today we have the Kagasel Selcon Photo Control switch to do some testing today. It contains 2 pieces in this box. So we set up the test. Yeah, the line is black cable, neutral for white cable, and red cable goes to load. Okay, we will start off on power on. So in daytime, it takes 1 minute for the photo controls to feel the light, and then it goes off. Again, in the nighttime, it feels dark 1 minute, and then the light's on. Yeah, nighttime, 1 minute, and the light's on. Daytime, it feels 1 minute, and then the light's off.